Have you ever felt suddenly embarrassed or shy? The word abash is perfect to describe that feeling. Abash means to make someone feel embarrassed, ashamed, or confused, often suddenly. Learners often confuse abash with abash, which means to lower in rank or dignity. They are related but different words. Common patterns are to be abashed by or to abash someone. It describes causing embarrassment. She was abashed by the compliment. He felt abashed after the mistake. The teacher abashed the student gently. They tried not to abash him in front of others. A shy boy was abashed when everyone suddenly looked at him during class. His face turned red, and he wished to disappear. Abash sounds like a bash. Imagine someone throwing a surprise bash that makes you feel shy and embarrassed. Remember, to abash means to embarrass. Try using it soon in your conversations.